Hey everybody, welcome back to the Side Startup Club. Now before I show you the first draft of our minimal viable product, I want to create this video about the process of actually building that minimal viable product in terms of website development. And this video is specifically going to focus on this concept I so often use in WordPress's Divi builder. And the concept is we're going to create a row and really drill down on the details and have it all ironed out so that row and that section are exactly how we want it. And we save that to our Divi library, and then for all of the other pages in our website, we upload that template and just rearrange and replace the content within it. And this significantly is going to reduce the time and complexity to developing your website. So I started with the page Best Places to Sleep, and the first thing I did is I created this row right here using the plugin, and I got all of the formatting and the margins and the color and the overlays exactly how I wanted them. And then I created this little row here, which is a simple text row with a box shadow behind it. And once I had this row exactly how I wanted it, I simply copied and pasted it again and again and again and again to complete the rest of the page. And then I finished up with this bottom section, which is talk to a local expert. So then I went on to, let's see here, I saved each one of those sections and I built the transportation page. And here you can see it's the exact same format with the opening banner and a little bit of copy. And then you have your text section with the box shadow behind it, and you have your flip boxes. And you can see it's very, very similar to Best Places to Sleep. So what I do is I go here when I have a section exactly how I want it. This one's a little bit different because this one doesn't flip, and I list a bunch of options within one box. So I go to my section here, I save it to the library. I'm going to call this row with 2 flippers and 1 static. Save to library. Okay, now I'm going to save my page, and now we are going to build the activities page from scratch. So this is currently what my activities page looks like. I have absolutely nothing other than this footer provided by Divi. I'm going to enable Visual Builder. Again, Visual Builder is just a very easy to use tool. If you have no programming skills at all, it's extremely intuitive. So for my opening header here, let's see, I'm going to add a section, add from library. I'm going to use the same header as I used on all my other pages, standard page header. I'm going to delete this section here. So I have my Best Places to Sleep, but keep in mind this is activities, so must do activities in Oaxaca. And I might change this text to everything you care about, everything. Let's see, what can I change this to? From Mezcal tours to ancient ruins, personalized classes with locals to do-it-yourself city walking tours. We make it easy to plan an amazing time in Oaxaca. Whatever, we can come back to this. I'll make it a little bit bigger, and then maybe change, let's see, let's change this picture to something related to picture, upload file. Let's see if I have a file here. This picture would do. It's a pretty cool picture. Upload image. Great, this is looking good. It's a little hard to read the text, so we might do a background overlay. There already is an overlay. Good. So now we have our header. What we're going to do next, add a section from the library. Let's see. Let's look at our draft here. We have Mezcal tours, and it looks like some of them we want to flip, and some of them we want to list many options. So I'm going to install this one. Getting to and from Oaxaca by popular destinations. I'm going to replace that with unique, and I'm going to change this to Mezcal related activities. unique and whatever. We'll come back to this. Unique and magical Mescal related activities. I would change this to 3 Mescal tours. I would change this to perhaps, actually I need to change that from not be visual builder. I'm going to add my next section here. My next section is going to be classic day trips. And again, it looks like we want one of them to be static. So I'm going to add from library, row plus 2 flippers. I'm going to change this to classic day trips. Won't leave you disappointed. Not worried about the copy so much as just getting this formatted. I want to change this color. I'm going to come back to the color because I want to make sure I'm using consistent colors. And then this is on the left again. Maybe this time I want it to be in the middle, so I might put that here. Then I might move this stuff to here. And we'll change this to, let's see. We can change this to artisanal. All right. Then we're going to add to the library again. The next section is inner city museums and activities. Again here, we're going to use this format. We may need to have only 1 flip and 2 of them remain stationary. So the way we would do that is delete this flipper, delete this text box, copy this module, move this module up to here. Maybe we want this one to be the flipper. If that's the case, I would move the flipper to right here. I would move this text module to be underneath it. And then I would move this guy to this 3rd position here. And we have museums and art. Can't spell. What else do we have? We have so much to do. Let's talk to the agent. Okay, that should actually probably be a flipper. Museums and shopping. So we have. Just waiting. Here we go. Okay, so this one will be museums. This one will be shopping. And this will be talk to our agent. The next row. Let's see what we got there. How about here we put. You don't have to leave the city with these inner city activities. Cool. You don't have to leave. You don't have to go far with these inner city activities. Museum, shopping, talk to our local agent. The next section we have is special unique activities. So for this one, I'm going to actually have all flippers because it's very important I see the face here. So standard flip box. Here we go. How about this one we call, let's see, unique special activities that you won't find anywhere else, exclamation. And then I would change each one of these to, okay, take a special art class with this person, take a special art class with this person, this person. All right, what else do we have? And then we have C with locals section, and then we would have our standard end page. I'm going to start with our standard end page, add from library, and we have standard end page. Actually, we're going to call it bonus step travel. Take all the stress out of guessing and research. So we always want to end our page with one of these. Talk to our travel agent. Not seeing what you are looking for. Take all the stress, guessing, and research, and do things, talk to opportunity, make the most of your trip. All right, so that's there. The only thing we're missing is I want this C with locals. And that's actually going to be a little bit custom. We're not going to add that right now because I don't know exactly what that's going to look like. Exit out of here. So at the end, let's check it out. We have our must-do activities in Oaxaca. We have this beautiful banner here. It's looking pretty good. Alrighty. Unique and magical mezcal. Everything mezcal. Classic day trips that won't leave you disappointed. You don't have to go far with these inner city activities. Unique special activities that you won't find anywhere else. Not seeing what you're looking for. Take all the stress. Yada yada yada. So basically, this is how you go about developing the website using your copy and paste feature, saving things to the library and then downloading that section to your new pages. This saves you time, but it also keeps it keeps your website very cohesive and consistent, where the user gets to feel like they know how to orient themselves around your website and everything looks uniform. Alright, well I hope this was helpful and you kind of see Now that the process is we just need to go in here and write good copy, have the links to the places we want, and upload the pictures we want, and our website is essentially aesthetically complete.